I figured while I was out and about today, I'd also get 2 videos done for you guys and go ahead and give y'all an exhaust video. Like I said, this car has a Canadian Auto Performance test pipe. It's a downpipe, and it has front resonator deletes. Other than that, just the tune, and I would like to get stock tips and a different diffuser and all that kind of stuff later. Next will be suspension work, but I wanted to go ahead and film you guys a startup video with the RS startup on this car, or RS style startup, and see what you guys think. For a V6, guys, this thing sounds awesome. The condensation that you can see is just from the E85. I had looked into it, and when I was doing research on it before I flashed it yesterday, was E85, you know, it's just 85% ethanol, and it's just from corn. So it has a lot different fueling properties than gasoline, and it has a whole lot more moisture in it. Well, when your exhaust is hot and this thing gets hot, you get a lot of condensation build up from it in the exhaust itself, and you get what looks like smoke, but it's not smoke. Yeah, guys, I think that'll be it for this video and this little section. I'm gonna start filming some racing videos coming up with the car. We're gonna be doing some track stuff and really taking this thing to a whole nother level. So please like, comment, subscribe, and thank you guys.